I got a surprise for y'all. DJ Rickey Ricardo's in the building today, folks. Yeah, I'm making some lunch. And today we're gonna have some curry chicken, so you know I'm just chopping up some peppers and some onion, you know. Chopping up some peppers and onion, yeah. Curry chicken. So if y'all feel hungry and y'all want to do what I'm doing, all y'all gotta do is just go to the store and get some curry chicken, garlic, sweet peppers, some onions, and more stuff. Crushing your garlic. There you go. So I got me this bowl. I'm just gonna put everything inside here. Everything, the garlic, everything. I could have put the chicken in there first, but I didn't get to the chicken part yet, so. You know, ooh, look at that, man. Ooh, look at that. I've almost forgot the secret ingredient. You always have to have this if you like spicy food. A nice hot Scotch bonnet pepper. So I chop half of it and I put it inside of my bowl. Alright. Now, for the spices part, the second part of the spices part, I use this for seasoning salt. Okay. And here I use this one, this brand, a hot brand for curry powder. Okay. And I have some garlic, more garlic powder. And we have some black pepper. Now all of this is going to go inside of the mix with the chicken. Get our rice ready. I already poured a lot of rice in there already, so it don't need no more. Put a little bit of salt. My rice, and I'll put that on the overlay. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so I chopped up my chicken already and I put it inside of my bowl. I'm just gonna add a little bit of vegetarian oil. Okay. And now we just put in the seasoning. First things first, you're gonna get the black pepper. And we're just gonna twist some in there. They said that this black pepper is the best black pepper, the one that you can crack, because it's fresh. Fresh all the while, my friend. Fresh all the while. As cool people will say, you know? It's gonna be a while, because this thing is very slow. I can smell it already. This is going to be good. It's going to be very rich. Okay, I think that's enough. So then we're going to put into we're going to put the salt in. I usually put the salt in last, but this time, you know, I have my own judgment. And we're going to add a little bit more garlic powder. Okay. And then next, we are going to put in the main ingredient. And that is the curry powder. Yeah. See? Probably gonna need a little bit more. So, excuse me, wow. That's a sign, you know, when you're sneezing around food, when you smell it, the spices them really good. Just want to make you know. So what you do now is that you get your fork and you get some water. This is what I do because everybody have their own ways of doing it, you know. So you just get this your fork and everything and mix everything up together, man, like so. Okay. Mix up everything so the camera can see. And it's smelling really good right now. Okay. Okay, we already got the oil in on the pot now. So I'm just going to take up the camera and put everything inside of my pot. Lovely. Look how nice that sounds. That sounds good. Lovely. So I'm adding some more water. Okay, good. Now all I do is just make it sit in here and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until it sorry, let me just stir it up a little bit. So you just sit down and watch it for about 25 minutes, and when it's done it should be cooked. And you go, this is how I do it, is I go by taste. If it don't taste right, then I add a little bit of something, a little bit of more spices that I added in earlier if it's not tasting right. But most of the time it's always tasting right. So like I set the timer for what, 20 minutes. Actually 25 minutes. I set that for 25 minutes on a low blaze. Yeah. Low blaze fire. Okay, good. Yeah, man. A mad thing this, you know. So we just put that cover over the something like that, over the pot like that, and just let it cook, man. Alright. Ooh, yes, Rastafari. Look how good that looking, man. Look how rich and, excuse me, sorry about the steam, brethren. Sorry about the steam, but look how nice the chicken them look inside of my pot here. Your curry chicken is turning out to be really good now. It's gonna come out really great. Nice. So I'm just gonna give it a couple of stir so it don't get stick to the pot. And the volume, the fire is not too high. It's just at the right temperature, so it's not gonna stick. But I'm just gonna give it a quick spin around so we get everything mixed up nice and evenly. And we got 10 minutes left. All right, yes, Instagram. So as you can see, I added one of my secret ingredient inside of my curry chicken, which I'm not gonna tell you about. It makes the sauce and the chicken creamy, rich, and thick, if you know what I mean. You know, look at that. I was done. Okay, so now we're going to share some of this out, brethren. Sorry, I made a mess and I spilled some, but it's alright. Look at that, man. That look good, man. Beautiful. What? So here is what I like to do when I make my curry chicken. It's actually supposed to be, what do you call it, a roti or enchilada, but I'm just using spinach wraps. So I'm just basically going to share some onto the spinach wrap and eat. So I got a scoop of rice and chicken like so. Put it right there in the middle. Beautiful. Well, folks, there you have it. That's my how you make curry chicken in 20 minutes in a spinach wrap. Now it's time to make some music.